If you found your way to this channel, you're likely looking for more than a quick fix to your relationship and life problems. And that means it's time to take a walk with me. A big part of what I do is help people to throw out the old blueprint so they can become who they were always meant to be. And that means letting go of the conditioning that's left you feeling stuck, physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. So much of this is about learning to take your personal power back away from the things that you give it away to so freely. Real clarity comes when you learn to know, like, and trust yourself along with your discernment. It requires you to be honest about who you are, where you're going, what you're doing, and the why behind why you're doing it. You'll also find yourself asking and answering the question, what do I want? This is where you begin to recognize that you no longer have to go along to get along, and you can challenge what other people give to you. I'm Jason Smith. I'm the Take a Walk With Me guy and host of the Blueprint Podcast. So much of what we do here is a journey of self-discovery, and to help you along with that journey, I'm making the 21-day Love and Abundance Challenge free on YouTube. This was once a paid event where I sat down with subject matter experts on shame, attachment, and relationships. We delve deep into each of these topics to help you understand your own patterns. Ultimately, this program helps you learn to take your personal power back away from all the things that are keeping you feeling stuck. The series is available now here on my YouTube channel, and all you have to do is go to playlists or courses. There's also a link in the description that allows you access to other tools on Kajabi. You should probably check that out. If you're ready to become who you were always meant to be, then stick around and click into the next video.